Reporter speech 4. Reporting a yes/no question. 喺睇呢集之前呢，你哋都請準備翻呢之前呢學 reporting a statement 嗰份藍色筆記先。好，嚟到第4集，同學仔係咪覺得自己對 reporter speech 好熟悉呢？如果係呢，咁你就可以繼續睇落去啦。如果唔係嘅話呢，你就自己溫翻藍色筆記，睇下自己識唔識轉，你先好睇落去。唔識嘅話，就睇翻之前嗰幾段片先繼續睇。Can you report the following question？ 如果要將下面嗰個轉成 reporter speech， 你識唔識轉呢？ Am I correct? Asked Karen。 係咪轉成咁呢？ Am I correct? Am 就變成 was， I 就變成 she， 係咪變成 Karen asked Was she correct, Sandy？ 係咪咁呢？就梗係唔係啦，應該變成 Karen asked Sandy if she was correct。 首先呢 Karen asked， 咁你 ask 邊個？梗係 ask Sandy 啦。好啦，跟住呢，你要加翻個 if， 而 am I correct 你要變成 she was correct。 咁即是話你要將 subject 擺喺個 verb 前面，所以你唔可以話 was she correct， 你要變成 she was correct。 咁 I 要變 she，am 要變 was， 呢啲呢，之前你已經學過，咁我就唔重複啦。好，咁如果前面你都明呢，而家或者你可以停一停片，做一做呢4題。記住，你第一要用一個 reporting verb， 今次唔會用 said， 係用 asked。第二，記得加翻 if， 又或者你可以加 whether 都得。另外，亦都記住要將個 subject 擺喺個動詞前面，變成 if SVO， 好似頭先 if she was correct 一樣啦。係咪已經做完呢？ Number 1 Is Miss Lai beautiful? Pio asked Kelly. So we change it to Kelly asked Pio。 加翻個 if Is Miss Lai beautiful 呢，就變成 Miss Lai was beautiful。 Number 2 Are you listening? Cassie Wu Miss Lai asked. Miss Lai asked Cassie Wu， 加翻個 if Are you listening 變成 She was listening。 有冇人寫咗 You were listening 呢？小心啊嚇！ If she was listening。 Were you so clever in primary school, Oscar? Asked Miss Lai. Miss Lai asked Oscar if， 留意啦 Were you so clever 就變成 He had been so clever in primary school。 有冇人照寫係 He was 呢？留意啦 Were 呢個係 past tense， 要變成 past perfect tense。 Number 4 Were Nicole and Cherry friends in Form 1? Miss Lai asked Brian. Miss Lai asked Brian if Nicole and Cherry， 然之後擺個動詞裏去 were 變成 had been friends in Form 1。 好啦，溫馨提示啦，就係除咗你要轉位 Miss Lai was 啦 ，She was listening 啦 ，He had been 啦 ，Nicole and Cherry had been， 你會見到咧，現在變過去，過去變過去完成咧，仍然都要做㗎。小心小心。好，你明咗呢度咧，就可以去下一版啦。Do you like Kernel honey? Asked Miss Lai。 好啦，呢題係咪可以轉成 Miss Lai asked Honey Did she like Kernel? Do you like 係咪變成 Did she likes 呢？咁樣問你，梗係知道唔係啦。Okay, actually you should change it to Miss Lai asked Honey if she liked 強套。留意仍然係要加 if。Do you like？ 我哋會見到係現在式，係咪？好啦，咁我哋就會變成 she liked， 係啦，現在變過去嘛，所以 like 咧我就變咗做 liked 嚇。咁 you 變 she 你就知啦，你我轉他嘛。嗱，留意我哋個 auxiliary verb 個 do 係查咗㗎，所以 do you like 強套就變成 if she liked 強套。你見到咧，同之前咧嗰啲有 verb to be 嘅 question 一樣，我哋仍然都要加 verb to be 啦，仍然係要將個 verb 擺翻喺 subject 後邊。不過咧，佢有一樣嘢同 verb to be 嘅 question 唔同，就係咧，我會將 do、does 或者 did 咧係查咗㗎。呢個請你留意翻。好，如果前面嗰版你覺得好簡單咧，可以自己停一停片，自己做。如果你覺得咧仲未有信心咧，我哋又可以一齊嚟做一做啊。Number 1, do you speak? In Japanese, Cassie Wong asked Miss Lai。好啦，咁我哋就會變成 Miss Lai asked。Do you speak？ 我首先加翻個 if 先，跟住。Do you speak？ 我知道係現在式啊，咁就變成 you 就變成 she，speak 就變成 spoke， 個 do 就唔要啦 Japanese。Number 2, does Kuromi know Anson Lo? Cherry asked Kelvin. Kelvin asked， 加翻個 if 先啦。Does Kuromi know？好啦，我見到係現在式嘅，因為我見到 does 啊嘛。好啦，咁跟住就變成 Kuromi know 就變 new， 現在變過去式。成句係 Kelvin asked if Kuromi knew Anson Lo. Number 3, did you go to homing school? Kelvin asked Miss Lai. 變成 Miss Lai asked Kelvin if。Did you go？ 嗱，今次留意啦，今次係用 did 㗎，咁所以你見到係過去式嚟㗎，本身已經係過去式㗎啦。咁我如果驚自己係睇漏咧，我會寫咗個 went 喺度嘅，查咗過佢。Did you go 變成 if he went 就變 had gone。留意啦嚇，did you go 咧，我自己會寫咗做 you went 先嘅，就變成 he had gone。成句 Miss Lai asked Kelvin if he had gone to homing school. Number 4, did Jason Tan know Tony in primary school? Asked Hanson. Hanson asked if。 嗱，呢度冇講 ask 邊個㗎，因為佢呢度都冇講到嘛，咁就咁寫 Hanson asked if did Jason Tan know Tony。 嗱，留意啦，呢度都係過去式嚟㗎。咁所以咧，我又要將佢變做，我寫低咗先，記住 past 變 past perfect 㗎嚇。Did Jason Tan know 就變成 if Jason Tan knew 就變成 had known， past 變 past perfect 啊嘛。Jason Tan had known Tony in primary school。好，咁啊，最尾咧做埋呢一句，睇下大家又點啦。Can you do it now 3D? Asked Miss Lai。 變成 Miss Lai asked 3D， 加翻個 if。 Can you do it now？ 嗱，留意個 now 都要轉㗎。Can you do 變成 they could do it then。 嗱，留意啊，呢個 can 咧，我會擺翻喺個 subject 後邊。而 can 咧，我會變成 could， 咁所以你最尾見到咧，我哋應該變成 if they could do it then。 好，最尾咧就嚟個 summary。當我哋要 report a yes/no question 嘅時候咧，我哋要 use reporting verb。 第二，我哋要加 if。第三呢，我哋要將個 subject 擺喺個 verb 前面。例如 Am I correct？ 你會變成 She was。Do you like 姜濤？你會變成 She liked。第四就好似呢一個例子咁啦。Do you like 變成 She liked。你會見到個 auxiliary verb do 係唔見咗㗎。最尾一題，之前學過嘅現在變過去，過去變過去完成，仍然呢都係要轉㗎。咁所以你見到前面有啲例子係 Did you like 會變成 He had liked 嚇，得唔得？Did 咧呢個本身係過去式啊嘛，過去變過去完成，所以 like 就變成 had liked。講到嚟呢度係時候做下練習，睇下自己識幾多啦。拜拜。